Honey, we've got sheep. So, we're moored in Medmenham. You have to pronounce it that way because if you pronounce it any other way, like for example, Medmenham, that happens. Just a little joke there. I'm a fan of the Muppets. While we've been moored here, I've been trying to give the boat a little bit of a clean, if you can see. Every time it's about to rain, it's always good to come out and put a little bit of eco-over maybe on the roof of your boat to give it a nice clean. Free water from the sky, what's not to love? So, one of the benefits to being moored here in Medmenham, not only are the moorings gorgeous, but outside the window there are sheep. Well, you've probably worked that out already. Baby lamb looking through the window. That's a bit of a distraction. Maybe they've come over to the window because they know we're vegan. That's probably not the reason. But both my wife and I are vegan. I don't know whether you know that already. If you didn't know that, then surprise. But when you're this close to baby animals, it brings home to me the reason why I choose to be vegan. I mean, I don't want to go into a vegan rant here, but I don't understand why anyone would look at a little baby lamb like that and think, mint sauce. My wife and I haven't been vegan all our lives. We've mostly been vegetarian until we realised that we could go completely vegan and it not necessarily change or disrupt our life or our diet in any way. In fact, it enhanced our connection together and it made us feel a lot more better about the world and about our impact as human beings. I love being vegan. It's one of the things that I'm most proud of in my life and in my marriage too. Anyway, vegan rant over. I don't want to get too much hate in the comments. Now, more footage of sheep. If you're watching this and you are not vegan yet, then go check out a chap called Earthling Ed. Some of the stuff that he shares on his Instagram and YouTube can be quite shocking, but that is how we all start our vegan journey. And he also has a lot to say about the past, present and future of where a vegan diet can take us as a species. Sheep aren't the only animals here, in fact. There are other animals roundabouts raising their young. Kind of gives me a warm feeling to see them as well. Ah, all the sheep are gone. They keep doing that. They keep disappearing. I think they're all down the other end of the field right now. The sky is looking a little bit moody over there. Do sheep get scared by storms? I don't know. Did you scare the sheep? Where did they go? Sally?